Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add product variants on Gumroad. So actually guys, as first you will need to go with gumroad.com on your browser, then just sign in with your account, and then you will need to make sure that you're already on the dashboard. If not, just go ahead and click on a button. It says dashboard at the top right corner of the page, and after that just go with products option. It's second one on the left hand menu, and then go and edit an existing product. So for example, to edit it, you will need just go over on its name and then just click it. You will need, guys, to scroll to the variants section. Okay, so it's the products info, and here you will need to fill or to choose the call to action. So for example, we go with buy this, and you will get, for example, and name the products, and then this is the a variant of the products or additional details. Okay, so just go ahead with add details, and here you will need to go with, for example, the ebook formats like PDF, EPUB, MOPI. If physical products like that, you will need to go with the physical products sizes like small, medium, large. Also, if it style, you can go with the colors of it like red, blue, black. Okay, you can add the details just from here. You can add variant options, so give each variant a name like format, size, color. Add values for each variants like PDF, EPUB, as I told you, and MOBI. And it's optionally, so you can set a price difference for each variant. For example, EPUB plus $2. Okay, and once finished, you will need just to go all the way up into save and continue button. So just click it and publish. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.